Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, my sweater and all of those features are now gray. That means that autofill is definitely off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!